Guys, welcome back to another video. And today what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be splashing Jordan with some water. We've never done this on our channel, but we're doing it right now. Okay.
And we did it on Instagram.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. So yeah, guys, so we can do more videos like this. Okay, ready? Get down. Ready?
That hurt.
It hurt. It hurt. Oh my god. It hurt. What did it do?
Just ask.
You're not supposed to eat it. Okay. There's still more left. Close your eyes. Come on, guys. We'll come over here. Do it over here. Come on.
Yeah. This is my second level.
Oh my god. Okay, right here.
Because I did this on him on Instagram.
Okay, y'all ready? Sit.
Are you okay?
Casey, come here, come here, come here.
What's over there?
I did. Yes. Okay, come on. Oh, I love you though. Okay.
Well, would you do that?
I didn't mean to. You put some soap in there. Okay, you're showing everybody my stomach. Okay, can you stop? Okay. You ran into the elbow.
Hey!
Okay,
He
guys.
added soap in there.
Yeah, he added a little bit of soap yesterday, though.
And what?
I added a little bit of soap, like the same amount, before you dumped it on me. So yeah, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video.